Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve the puzzle. If 4 plus 3 is 13, 5 plus 4 is 21, then 6 plus 5 is 31. So what is 7 plus 0? So let's start with today's video solution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and if you have different logic, please comment down below. So 4 plus 3 is 13. How? So 4 plus 3 square is 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Now 5 plus 4 square is 16. So 5 plus 16 is 21. 6 plus 5 square. So 6 plus 5 square is 25. That is 31. So 7 plus 0 square is 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. So what replaces the question mark? 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.